Hello, everyone. This is Jefferson with What's Happening in Birmingham. Today, I have the honor and pleasure of being with Dr. Wesley Willeford with the Jefferson County Department of Health. We're here to talk about a very important topic that everybody is hearing about in the news, coronavirus. So I wanted to bring the doctor on today to kind of dispel any myths and kind of tell you all what's really going on. Is it actually here in Alabama yet? So, doctor, thank you for coming on.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Great. I would shake his hand, but he's going to probably take one of these precautions probably to do this. So, let's get started. So, doctor, what is coronavirus?
Yeah, the coronavirus is a new virus that's been infecting humans since probably around December of 2019, so this past December. Now, coronaviruses in general are not new. They have been around for a long time causing human disease. This one, though, is the first time we've seen it start to infect humans. And it probably came from close contact with animals in a what we call a wet market or a live animal market in China.
All right, okay. And how long did it take for it to spread here?
Yeah, so the first cases were reported probably in the very late part of November, very early part of December of 2019. And then really it took until probably mid-February before we started seeing cases coming over here. Or, well, some cases came here before then, but they were travel cases, people who'd gone there and come back. And then a couple of weeks ago, we began to hear about possible person-to-person transmission in the United States.
All right, so is this the same thing as COVID-19?
Yeah, so COVID-19 is an internationally standardized name for this virus. It's just it's sort of a shorthand for what to call it. And so that's really the name of the disease that it causes. The virus is called SARS coronavirus 2. So there was original SARS virus in 2002, 2003. So this is SARS coronavirus 2.
All right, so what are the symptoms of it?
So the symptoms are, it's tough in cold and flu season because it looks a lot like the flu. The big symptoms are going to be cough, shortness of breath, fever, and sometimes muscle aches in this one. Muscle aches are more common in the flu than in this, but it certainly can happen.
So how long does it take for the symptoms to start showing up?
So that's another one that's been kind of interesting. It's probably thought to be what we call an incubation period, time between being infected and starting to show symptoms. It, on average, is about 5 days, but it can go as long as 14 days.
Wow, so over the weekend, I think they start saying about testing kits coming to the United States. Has it came here to Alabama?
Yeah, so Alabama, the testing kits are available at the Alabama Department of Public Health. They had previously been at the CDC. Those are now kind of going out to other state health departments around the country. But Alabama does have that capacity now.
When will it come here?
That's a good question. So the as far as the test kits being available locally, not sure yet. That's something that we'll see going forward. There are some private companies that are gearing up to do testing, so that may change some of this as well.
And I think the number one thing after me doing my research, and people are probably asking you, who are the most at risk to catch this?
So right now what we're seeing is the people who are most at risk are going to be people who are over the age of 60 or people with other chronic health conditions. So, people who have diabetes, people who have autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, or people who have weakened immune systems for other reasons. Those are going to be the highest risk people. And that's something that's been we've been talking a lot about, is like there are some people who die from this, and it seems like the people who need to take the most precaution are those vulnerable groups because they're going to be at the highest risk.
All right, well.
Do you know what's happening in Birmingham? Find out now with the all-new What's Happening Birmingham app. Download today on Android, iPhone, and iPad for free. Get info on everything you need to know about local news, events, businesses, restaurants, and more. Visit our website, what'shappeningbirmingham.com, follow us on Twitter at HappeningBham, or call us at 205-538-4508. Download the What's Happening Birmingham app today. What's Happening Birmingham, your source for everything Birmingham.